Hi everyone, welcome to your maths lesson today. Today we're going to carry on learning some more about subtraction. Mr. Bayes yesterday did some subtraction with you. We're going to continue doing that with a few bigger numbers. So for this lesson you will need some paper, a pencil and a rubber if you have one, just in case we need to rub anything out. So when we're thinking about subtraction, we're thinking that the number is going to get smaller. So the first number that we're going to look at is going to be the whole number that we need to find. And we're going to be taking some away, subtracting some from that group. And we'll be left with a number that is smaller at the end. So let's get started. So the first number sentence we're going to look at today is 8 subtract 5. So can you write that number sentence 8 subtract 5 with the equals sign on your piece of paper? So we're going to start with the number 8, then the subtract symbol, number 5 and the equal symbol. And then we're going to have a little bit of a look at how we're going to take that away. So I have got here, let's move my screen out the way, a number track that goes all the way up to number 20. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find 8 objects and I'm going to put them onto my number track. So I have got 8 yellow triangles above my number track so that I know that I've got 8. So can you now draw on your piece of paper 8 triangles? You're going to need 8 triangles in a row, just like my ones. Don't worry about your number track because you can look at the one on the video. When you've got those 8 triangles on your piece of paper, we are going to think about taking away or subtracting 5 of those. And we're going to do that by crossing them off. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start at the end, at the last triangle, so the one above number 8. And we're going to cross them off. I'm just going to give you a minute to draw those 8 triangles on your piece of paper. Right, so we're going to start by taking those 5 triangles away. So as I go, we're going to be counting to make sure I only take away 5. I don't want to take away too many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've now taken away 5 triangles, but we need to count how many triangles I have left to find out the answer. So let's count those yellow triangles that have been left behind to find out how many we have got. So let's start at the beginning. We've got 1, 2, 3 yellow triangles left behind after we've subtracted 5. So that means our answer is going to be 3. So our number sentence is going to be 8 take away 5 equals 3. Can you write your answer at the end of your number sentence? Fantastic. We're going to start now with a bit of a bigger number. So we're going to move on now and you can start thinking about your next one. So on your piece of paper, we're going to move down and look at your next number sentence. So our next number sentence is going to be 14 subtract 6. So this time, you're going to need to draw 14 triangles on your piece of paper. Here are my 14 triangles. I will give you a minute. If I'm going too quickly, remember you can pause your video and work at your own speed when you draw these shapes. Okay? So we've got our 14 triangles on my number track, and this time I'm subtracting 6 triangles and finding out how many are left behind, how many are left over when we have taken away 6. So let's start counting those triangles we are taking away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. I've now taken away 6, but that means that we need to now count how many we have got left on our number track. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have got 8 triangles left on our number track. So here we go. Here's our number 8 just here at the end. And you can see the last number, the last triangle, is actually sitting on top of number 8 as well. So you can see that it's going to be 8. And our answer is 8. So 14 subtract 6 equals 8. If we're ready to move on, let's have a look at the next one. So our next number sentence we're going to write on our pieces of paper are 17 take away subtract 4 equals 17 subtract 4. So when we've got our number sentence on our piece of paper, we are then going to add our 17 triangles onto your piece of paper. That might take you a little bit longer now, having to draw 17 triangles, but give it your best shot. When you've drawn your 17 triangles, we're going to be looking at taking away 4 triangles. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. So we've now taken away 4 triangles from our group of 17, and we need to count the remainder, the leftover of our triangles to find out our answer. So let's count together. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 triangles left over. So 17 subtract 4 equals 13. Fantastic. Are we ready to move on to our next one? Remember, you can pause the video and work at your own speed. Let's have a look at the next one. So this time our number sentence is going to be 20 take away 5. This time I've used purple circles. I have 20 purple circles on my number track. Can you write your number sentence and draw your 20 circles on your piece of paper? Fantastic. So now that you have drawn your 20 circles on your piece of paper, we're ready to take away 5 circles. Let's have a look. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. Now we've just got to count our leftover circles to find out the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 circles left over. So 20 subtract 5 equals 15. Fantastic. Now that we've had a go at doing some together, you're going to now have a go at going and doing a sheet on your own. So on the website, on your class pages, there will be a sheet that says subtraction and then the animal name of your group. So if you are in the mice group at school, you're going to do the mice worksheet. If you're in the foxes, you're going to do the fox worksheet. If you're in the snakes, then the one with the snakes on. And owls, you'll be looking at the owl worksheet today, and gruffalos will be looking at the gruffalo worksheet. And on there are a number of number sentences for you to have a look at, but there aren't any objects. So you might want to draw on your sheet the amount of objects you need and cross them off as you go along. I hope you guys got on really well with your maths today, and I can't wait to see them. If you do want to share your maths with us, then please get your parents to take a photo of your worksheet and email it to the office, and me and Miss Hornsey would love to see them. Good luck, everybody, and I hope that you are having a good day. Bye.